Hello, in this video I'll explain the questions based on angle properties which I told you all the properties in the earlier video. So one by one some questions I have and you will go through the exercise 15.1. Like exercise 15.1 question number 1 and part 6. There is a figure, a circle and a line like this. Then this is x and this is 25 degree. This is 35 degree. A, B, P, C, D, and you can suppose this one as the Q, this point of intersection. You have to find x. How to find x? X is there, and if you see this arc AC, from the arc AC this angle is x. And from the same arc, the angle at B is also will be x. From the same arc AC, you can see arc AC, the angle is x, and arc AC, this angle at B. Okay. So first you write the angle A, B, C is equal to angle A, D, C, and is equal to x. Means this is also x. And write the property angle from same arc and the name of the arc, that is AC. After finding this angle ABC, can you apply the property of the triangle, that is exterior angle is equal to opposite interior angle, sum of opposite interior angle. And you can see in this triangle BCP, this is the exterior angle and sum of opposite interior angle. So in triangle BCP, x is equal to 25 plus 35 is equal to 60 degree, and sum of opposite interior angles is equal to exterior angle. By this way the x is equal to 60. But in every question you have to write the reason also. Reason is compulsory. Without reason you can lose your marks. So reason बहुत जरूरी है, reason लिखो. Now the second question, fifth part. Find the value of x. And this is O. Find the value of x. Same type question. It is the same type question, but there is something different. From this arc, can you see this arc BC? From the BC arc, the angle is x. and from the same arc the angle at the center at O means this angle. What is the relation in this angle? This is the 2x. मतलब angle at the center, double of the angle at the circumference from the same arc. So apply the same formula, but before that find the angle BOC. Angle BOC is equal to 180 minus 135 is equal to 45 degree angle at straight line. Angle at straight line. Then angle BDC is equal to 1 by 2 angle BOC, angle at the center. So it will be 1 by 2 into BDC x equal 45 and 22.5. This is the answer. Then question number 5b. Simply the angle at the center, angle from the same arc and angle from the diameter. बस यही तीन प्रॉपर्टी इसमें in this मतलब exercise point 15.1. फाइंड एंगल ACB, उसमें कई सारे एंगल निकालने हैं एंड यूजिंग द फाइंड एंगल ACB मतलब दिस एंगल यू हैव टू फाइंड ACB एंगल OBC this is X, this is Y. OBC OAB मतलब कि join AB. Okay, this angle you have to find Z and CBA also. CBA means this angle. तो इतने जो एंगल निकालने हैं, they are not only the angle properties of the circle, you also can use the properties of the triangle, क्योंकि isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle जो भी है, in that way you can do. So first of all, x, you can find the x. X how to find? Can you see this angle and the angle at the center means reflection. Just half of the reflection, this one, the property angle at the center, because this is the angle of the same side. So you will write here angle ACB is equal to 1 by 2 reflex of angle AOB, and this is equal to 1 by 2 into 360 minus 140 means 1 by 2 into 220 means 110 degree, and you will write here angle at the center. This is the reason. 110. So x value निकलेगी. अब OBC, if you know x 50, 140, तो can you find the one? By using the quadrilateral. So for the second part, in quadrilateral, in quadrilateral OACB, 140 plus 50 and plus 110 or plus y is equal to 360. So y you will get 60 degree after calculation. The value of y you can get the 60 degree. Then the third part, join AB for the third part, because OAB. So join AB, third part, join AB, and can you see this triangle OAB is OAB. What type of triangle? Isosceles. क्यों? क्योंकि OA and OB are the radii. So OAB is an isosceles triangle because OA is equal to OB is equal to radius. Then 140 plus Z is equal to 180. So 2Z is equal to 40 or Z is equal to 20. So the value of Z is this. If Z is 20, so this is also 20. Can you get the CBA? Fourth part, CBA. CBA means this angle only. And the total is 60 minus 20. So CBA 60 minus 20. You can say the y minus 20. So this is equal to 40. From the figure. B part. O, E and D. C, D, A, B and F. And angle ECD, EDC 32 degree. ये 32 degree है. This is 32 degree. And this is also 32 degree. You have to find the angle CEF and the second angle COF. So how to find? Again use the property of triangle. Exterior angle is equal to opposite interior. क्योंकि ये देखो, this angle is the opposite interior, sum of. So angle CEF is equal to 32 degree plus 32 degree is equal to 64 degree. Opposite interior angles of triangle CED. Yes, CDE. And then if it is 64, can you get this value? The angle COF. What is the angle COF? 64. But how? सेम आर्क से दिस एंगल. हाँ हाँ, दिस इज नॉट द प्रॉपर्टी. ई पे नहीं प्रॉपर्टी है, दिस 60 कोई. The same from the arc FC, the angle made at D, that is 32 degree, and from the same arc the angle at the center, just double it. So this is equal to 2 into angle CDE, CDE, and angle at the center. So this is equal to 2 into 32 means 64 degree. So this way you can find. A 7th degree. This is center.
Sir, video line is
And ABC, here given the ABC 40 degree. ABC, this is 40 degree. And AD is the diameter of the circle. Calculate DAC. DAC, this angle. So it is very easy, simple. From this card AC, can you see this angle? C 40 degree at B, and same angle at D also. So it is also 40. So angle ABC is equal to angle ABC is equal to 40 degree angle from the same चाहे कॉर्ड लिखे चाहे आर्क लिखे, doesn't matter. This is 40 degree. And how to find x? What is angle ACD? 90 degree angle subtended by diameter. Okay, this diameter, this is the 90 degree. It means x plus 40 is equal to 90. So x plus 40 is equal to 90. So x is equal to 50 degree in triangle ACDC. चाहे प्लस 90 करो 180 करो, चाहे इसी को. But one question I want to tell you in the same exercise 15.1, and this one question number 10, question number 10 B part. Question number 10 B part. इस क्वेश्चन को करना जरूर है तुम लोगों को, क्योंकि दिस क्वेश्चन इज द डिफरेंट वन फ्रॉम द अदर्स. अगर यू कैन सी ऑल्सो देन आई A, B, C and D, and this angle is 55 and 65. Angle B means this angle is 55 and this angle is 65. Angle B, ABC 55 and angle ACB is equal to 65. You have to find the angle BCD, CBD, BCD, CBD and DCI, BIC, DCI and BIC. Anybody has read? किसी ने इस क्वेश्चन को किया? फर्स्ट और सेकेंड एंड ठीक है, अभी इसको बता दूंगा. What is the meaning of I? I given I is in center. I is in center. It is given in the question. This is, first of all, you must differentiate the in center and circumcenter and center of the circle. Center of circle and circumcenter are same. मतलब सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल किसी सर्कल का सेंटर और किसी सर्कल का उसी सर्कल का सर्कमसेंटर मे बी सेम या सेम होते ही नहीं, बट इन सेंटर इज नॉट द सेम. In center means a circle which is inside the triangle या polygon, and the center of the in circle is known as the in center. Circumcenter बनता है because you have not read about the construction. This circumcenter या circumcircle और in circle का construction नहीं पढ़ा, इसलिए हम बता रहे हैं. Circumcircle, when we draw the perpendicular bisector of any two sides of the triangle, then where they meet, that point is the circumcenter. मतलब इस ट्रायंगल में अगर हम इसको खींचना चाहें ये सर्कल, तो we draw the perpendicular bisector. This point is the circumcenter. और ये जो circumcenter होता है रेडियस सर्कल का सेंटर ही. But in case if you want to draw the in circle, then in circle is this, and this circle can be drawn only when you draw the angle bisector. Angle bisector when you draw, you will get the in center. The in center. It means the first one, जैसे ये दिया गया angle BCD. Angle BCD you have to find this one, right? Angle BCD, you know? BCD you have to find. How to find? First you join this one and this one. Okay. अभी भी कर रहे हैं कि ये कैसे और नहीं. This angle will be angle IBC will be 27.5 क्योंकि ये एंगल बाइसेक्टर है, ठीक है, और ये 32.5 डिग्री. It will be 32.5 degree. Then you will get the angle BIC. वो तुम्हारा जो BIC लास्ट में निकला गया वो निकलेगा. In that, before that, if it is 55 and 65, you can get this way. And this is the 60 degree. क्योंकि ये 120 हो रहा है, and 120, 180 minus 120, that is 60. तो angle A. After finding the angle A, can you this because this is also angle bisector, क्योंकि ये भी तो I को मिल रहा है. This is also angle bisector. So this angle is 30 degree and this angle is also 30 degree. तो from this arc अगर हम BD card से ले तो this angle is 30, and from the same chord this angle is also 30. इस एंगल से मतलब ये कार्ड से ये भी एंगल और ये भी from the same card. Similarly, from the same card CD, this angle is 30 degree. From the same card is this angle is also 30 degree. After this, जैसे BCD निकला है तुम्हारा, और कौन सा CBD भी निकला है, BI total angle 32.5 and 30 means 62.5 is the third answer. And BIC इन दोनों को ऐड करके देखो. You cannot say the angle I मतलब कि just double of this. I है ना, उससे कोई मतलब नहीं. But you cannot apply that theorem. Angle at the center, क्योंकि this is not the center of the circumcircle. This is the center of the incircle which is hidden. ये छुपा हुआ है, नहीं दिया हुआ, which is hidden. So that is why you apply the in center. Okay? Thank you.